Hi everyone, this is Sani and you are watching Coding with Sani. Today we are going to start a new tutorial series which is about the React.js. So before getting started with React.js, I need you guys to understand few things about the React. That what does it mean by React and why we are going to use React. React basically is a JavaScript library that is developed by the Facebook to develop and design the front end of the website as we used to develop with the HTML and CSS. But as in case of HTML and CSS, we don't need any kind of server to run the code. Just open that file into browser and browser done the rendering for us. But in case of React.js, we are going to need a server on which we will be running our React.js code. Why we are going to use it? Because it makes front end much easier. It also enable us to develop independent component for the different parts of the website, and it is also very easy to work in team with React.js. If you're not getting these points, I ask you guys to wait for the latest video where we will be developing the application, then you will understand all these points one by one. In order to get started, the things that we're going to need is server and ID. Why we're going to need a server? Because as I have already explained, the code of React.js runs on a server. So to run the code, we need a server, and to write the JavaScript code, we will be needing an integrated development environment. The server that we are going to need is Node.js. We will run our React code on Node.js server. Here is the link from where you can download it. Let me open this link so that you guys can see it. As you know that I have already opened this link into my browser, you can download it from here. These are the different kind of recommended version that you can use to download. As I am using the Windows 10 operating system, so I have used Windows installer to install the Node server on my machine. You can use the long-term stable version, and at the same time you can use the current, which is the latest version from here as well. Okay, after downloading it, just click on the setup to install it. It is very easy as you have installed so many softwares on your machine. It is just like that, you don't have to run any kind of other commands to install the Node server onto your machine. Here is the link to website as well. Okay, after installing the Node server, the next thing you need to do is to download the Visual Studio Code. The IDE that I will be using to write code for the React.js would be Visual Studio Code. So here is the link into the description. Just go to this link and download the Visual Studio Code. And after that, I will explain in the later video that how you can use the Visual Studio Code to write the React.js code. After installing the Node.js, the first thing you need to do is to check whether your Node server has been successfully installed on your machine or not. For that purpose, to check whether Node has been successfully installed on your machine or not, if you are using the Windows operating system, then in the Start menu, go to your Start menu and here press CMD and open the command prompt. And in the command prompt, just type node-v. And here you can see that it is telling me that I have currently using version 10.16.3. So if you got this answer after writing the command into command prompt, it means that the Node server has successfully been installed. So that's it for this video, in which I have told you guys that what does it mean by React, what things we will be needing into this project, and what type of server and IDE I will be using into this project. So see you guys in the next video.